kindly introduce yourself?
Yes. My name is Joanne Efredores. I'm 40 years old. I'm married and I have 3 kids.
Who will take care of your kids if you work abroad?
My father and my husband.
Okay. How old are your kids?
I'm 23, 17, and 7.
Okay. Is your husband working?
Yes.
What's your husband's job?
Bicycle driver.
Okay. Why do you want to work abroad?
Because my daughter will go in college next year, and my
Okay, so your daughter will be in college
Yes.
soon. Okay. Do you have any experience as domestic helper abroad before?
no
Okay. In the Philippines, what is your work experience?
housekeeping.
Housemaid also, okay. And how many employers did you have?
6 members.
You served 6 members in the
Yes.
house, okay. And was there a small child?
Yes.
How old?
8 years old and 6 months.
Okay. Were you the one who's taking care of them? Is it your responsibility to take care of them?
Yes.
Okay. What else were your duties inside your employer's house? What's your job inside the employer's
I
house?
clean the house, cooking, laundry, and take care of the kids.
Okay. So why do you want to work in Malaysia, or why did you choose Malaysia?
Because Malaysia is malapit sa Philippines.
It's near the Philippines. Okay. If you work in Malaysia, what do you prefer to take care aside from doing the household or general household works?
Baby, I can take care of the baby.
Okay. You prefer baby or small children?
Small children.
Okay. What about with elderly? Are you okay to work with elderly as well?
Yes.
And with employer who has pets inside the house, are you willing also?
Yes.
You don't have any allergies with pets? Okay. What about with food? Do you have any allergy?
No.
Okay. Is there any food that you don't like to eat? None as well. Okay. How many day off would you like to have in a month?
2 days.
Twice per month.
Yes.
You understand that during day off, you won't be allowed to go outside alone or without your employer?
Yes.
Okay. In your cell phone, are you willing to surrender it during working hours?
Yes.
Okay. How long do you plan to work in Malaysia?
2 years.
Are you willing to extend?
Yes.
Okay. Lastly, can you tell me what is your dream for your family?
Gusto ko sana matulungan yung family ko.
You want to help your family?
Yes.
What else? How about for yourself? What is your dream for yourself?
Gusto ko makapag ng bahay, house.
House? Okay. Well, that's it for our interview. Thank you so much for your time.